What's up, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Keandra, and in today's video I'm just going to be showing y'all yet another video of me customizing a wig. This wig is by LuvmeHair. I may or may not have a link to it just because it wasn't sent to me, nor did I purchase it. This was my cousin's birthday hair. So yes, this is the brand LuvmeHair, and this video is going to be very similar to the last one that I uploaded, just showing y'all again how I customize my units, which is really simple. Right now I'm just putting the wig on the mannequin head, putting it in a ponytail. I don't know why I did this. I guess to put it in a ponytail, but I'm gonna be taking it right off. Oh, and I guess to mix my bleach too. So I mix my bleach in my developer. I'm getting ready to bleach the knots. First I'm just gonna take my mousse and comb all the hair back so that it's out the way, and then I'm gonna be putting it back on the mannequin head, T-pinning it down so I can bleach the knots. I forgot what they call this type of wig, y'all. I don't know if it's like a T part, L part, I don't know what it's called, but as y'all can see, there's only really space for the parting space, and then a little bit of space for the frontal area. So not much parting space, but the parting space that they did have was very deep, and I really like that. I love me a deep part. But yeah, you guys, I do have an in-depth tutorial on how I bleach and plug my units, just like my last video. This is like really similar to the last video, but I just wanted to show y'all an overview of everything. So right now, of course, I'm just plucking. Wasn't much I could pluck because of how the wig was made, but I did want to pluck some because we didn't really want it looking too wiggy. So that is what I'm doing. This was my cousin's birthday hair, like I said, and it was her first time with color, so this was pretty fun to customize for her and install on her. And yeah, y'all, by now this is just kind of self-explanatory. If you watch my last video, I put it on my head, and just to part it, she wanted a side part, so I just put it on my head. I love that deep parting space. Like I said, it's a lot of parting space, which is a plus to this unit, and it came pre-colored, another plus. And this wig was really good for it to be a pre-colored wig. Like, I really enjoy working with it, so shout out to LuvmeHair. And now I'm going on my Care wax stick, and I'm going to be going on my hot comb. And y'all, that's all I use when I am trying to get my part and everything sleek at the top. I'm telling y'all, when that freaking wax stick and that hot comb meet your wig, magic happens. I'm just saying. It's just like, I don't know how to explain it, y'all. Just get your wig so sleek. I love doing this. This got to be my favorite part of like the whole process of doing a wig or installing a wig. It's really the customization for me, because I get to see like the wig go from the before and after, and I just get to see my work play out and just how sleek and everything it looks. So we love that. So I spend a nice amount of time just hot combing the hair, going through it, just get it as sleek as I can. This saves me a lot of time during the install process because I can just focus on installing a wig, because most of my work is already done for me. So yeah, I'm just gonna let the video keep playing. This is pretty self-explanatory. I end up popping the wig on her, installing it, doing some flat iron curls and everything. Oh, I love that look. I don't know what you call it when you just, I don't know, like the frontal part, when I hot comb that part. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. I just love it. But this was the hair on her head. Super cute. We installed it with Ghost Bond, and baby, it turned out super cute. If y'all like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next one. Oh my God! My cousin look good. Never asked for you to pick up the phone when you home. All I ever asked was you to show me some love. I never had to let you go to the club with your boys.